we go. 12 times 2. Okay. Nice. So, which of those, now what can you do next to break down the numbers more? Can we break down 2 more? Or can we break down 12 more?
We cannot break down 2.
Right. I mean, we can break it down into factors of 2 and 1. 2 times 1 equals 2. But are there any other combinations?
No.
Exactly. Okay. So, we'll go ahead and leave the 2. Let's go over to the 12. What are we going to do?
We could break the 12 into 6.
Sure. 6 and what else?
6 times 2.
Very good. Okay. What else can I break down here?
You can break down 6.
Perfect. Into what?
3 times 2.
Okay. Nice, Kohana. Much better. Okay, so where are we? So can I do anything more with these numbers?
No.
Okay. Do you remember what it's called when a number doesn't have any other factors other than 1 and itself?
Dead end.
Kind of like a dead end. Do you remember? We did call it a dead end in class. Do you know what the numbers are called, like, officially?
No.
That's okay. They're prime numbers. So I want you to tell me, let's make this a little darker. Tell me what numbers I'm going to circle that are prime in our tree.
The 2, the other 2, all the 2s.
All the 2s, and then what about the 3?
And the 3.
And the 3, okay. Cool. All right, Kohana, if I were to check my answer to work backwards from these prime numbers back to 24, what would I do? So I divided the numbers to break them apart. What would I do to work the other direction?
Times them?
Yeah, I would multiply them. Okay. So I have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. All right. Now what about if I want to express this with powers and exponents? Do you remember how to do that?
Powers and exponents. Sort of.
Do you want some help?
No.
Okay. So our base is 2. That's a number being multiplied. And how many times am I multiplying it?
3 times.
Good. And then I have this number that I haven't dealt with, but it doesn't repeat itself. So I just throw it on. So, Kohana, how would I say this?
2/3 times 3.
Are you sure? Try again. I know this is in your notes. We'd say 2 to the power of 3 times 3. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and clear that. Kohana, how would you rate yourself on the factor tree and then representing your factors as powers and exponents?
Well, if I did it again, because I would know it, because my memory was sort of fadey when I first did it.
Sure, so like by the end of the problem, it was starting to come back to you a little bit? Okay, so thinking about how we just worked out this problem and then the work you've done all quarter kind of together, how would you rate yourself with this type of stuff? Remember, 1 is I need a lot of help. 2 is I need a little bit of help, but I can get it with some help. 3 is I got this. I don't really need any help. And 4 is you can teach it.
Can we rate it so it's like 10 out of 10?
No, 1, 2, 3, or 4.
I'm in between 2 and 3.
Yeah? Did you need some help finishing that problem, or are you thinking back on past problems?
I think so. That problem was. It could have been easier. It's just.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to put your self-assessment at a 2. Is that what you're thinking, or did you want to stick with 2 to 3?
2. Yeah, that's true.
Okay. All right, our next problem is fractions, finding the simplest form and equivalent fractions. Doing great so far. All right, so looking at this problem, Kohana, how would I simplify this fraction into its simplest form?
We divide 6 with the simplest form would probably be
Okay, I like the dividing part. Now go with that. What can you do to find the simplest form using division? Or a model too.
If you divide 3 with 6.
Okay, so we're dividing by 3. What is that? And so whatever we do to the top, we do to the
Bottom.
Very good. Divided by 3. Okay, so 6 divided by 3 equals what?
3.
Work it out. Take 6 and make 3 groups, and how many would be in each group?
There would be in all the groups. There would be all the groups combined. It would be 18.
Kohana, you're multiplying, buddy. So when you're dividing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, our 3 is how many groups we're going to make. 1, 2, 3. How many are in each group?
2.
There we go. Now, if I multiply 3 times 2, what's my total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how area is kind of figured out too. Okay. All right. Now, what would 12 divided by 3 be?
12 divided by 3 would be
Okay. Go on my computer.
2 times.
Dots. And make 3 groups. And I don't know why it's not letting me draw anymore.